Billionaire investor David Rubenstein said on Tuesday that he planned to continue to invest in China, while urging a rapid end to the conflict in Ukraine to avoid a steeper global economic crisis. Rubenstein, co-founder of private equity giant the Carlyle Group, made the remarks during an interview with Xinhua on the sidelines of the ongoing World Economic Forum at the Swiss mountain resort town of Davos.
Well, it's difficult to actually say where the economy is going right now because there's a lot of flux going on. Right now, because interest rates are going up around the world, the economy is likely to slow down and growth will be lower. Because COVID is not going away, and because energy prices are higher due to the war in Ukraine, I think you're going to expect to see a global slowdown, which we're already seeing. Whether it's a recession or not, people will define later on. But clearly the economy is different and it's going to be challenged. And I'd say in the long term, China has a very bright economic outlook. It's got a large population, very hardworking people, well-educated and so forth. So I think in the long term, China's economy will do quite well. In the short term, it's hard to predict, but I think the Chinese government seems to have a pretty good handle on how to handle the economy. And while there often are predictions in the West that the Chinese economy is going to do poorly, those predictions are generally wrong.
In April, the International Monetary Fund slashed the global growth forecast for 2022 to 3.6%, 0.8 percentage points lower than the January projection, according to its World Economic Outlook report.